Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to increase FPS on Roblox easily and fast. So all what you have to do to make your Roblox more faster is very simple. Just go to any server on Roblox. For example, I choose this server, it's Cars server. Now all what you have to do is go to your desktop computer and click down here on Task Manager. And then go to details and search for Roblox right here. Here is it. Click on Roblox player beta on your right mouse and go to set priority and click on high. And after that, close this window and go back to your Roblox. And now the last step is go to the top here, click on Roblox logo, go to settings, scroll down, make the graphics mode on manual and make the graphics quality as lower as possible like this. Click resume and enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.